All right, guys. Well, we made it home from the car corral and swap meet in Milton Flea Market in West Virginia. I bought stuff while I was there, you know. I mean, that's why you go there, right? I got a question for you guys. I need your honest opinions. So please comment down below before I cut up a good truck. You can always buy fenders, right? You guys have already seen this truck. You've already seen the tires that's on it. Okay, we got 235 70s Firestones on it, which are supposed to be for the Suburban. Alright. If you guys didn't know, we're going NASCAR theme with this. You know. That's why we built the wing and the front splitter. I need your guys' honest opinions. I really do. I'm trying to make this short and sweet. Here's the problem. We are touching fender. We're not touching fender on the front, but we might as well be. Guys, I can't unsee it. Cannot like it. This just looks sick. So my question to all you guys is, should I put some slits in these fenders? Bend these out, bend this one out and bring these out. I got some old fenders, we can use the pieces and stitch it back together and put like a 3-inch wide body on here to run these. Guys, me and the kids, we like it. Watch your fingers and stuff. Got a little NASCAR pit crew member here. What do you think, Parker?
Running.
Cut the fenders, make a 3-inch flare, wide body. All right, guys. I couldn't help myself. I put all 4 on. I don't know, guys. I know it's getting dark out, but this thing looks sick with those tires on it. We did drop maybe an inch, so we're even lower now. Honestly could put a different set of coils on the front and a different shackle on the back and bring it up and not cut fenders. I don't know. I keep looking at it. I don't know what I want to do. I ain't scared to cut a fender. I will cut a fender. You guys can't tell me that truck don't look good with them wheels on it. I'm serious, guys. Comment down below, because I don't know what to do. Tell me if I'm gonna do something stupid. If I'm gonna put a slits in these fenders and give her a 3-inch factory wide body or not. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.